Yo, what is going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make more money on your YouTube gaming channel using affiliate marketing. So stay tuned.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long.
If you want to become a full-time YouTube gamer and you think you have the drive and passion that it takes to get there, then my new book, A Gamer's Guide to Greatness, is the perfect book for you. This book will teach you everything you need to know from starting your channel the right way so that you can get more views and subscribers to turning your channel into a business. Click on the link in the description or the link in the card in the top right hand corner of the video to find out more information right now. Yo, what's going on? I'm Jay Cartere from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better. Now, this video that I'm about to show you is from part of my course, How to Start Making Money on YouTube Using Affiliate Marketing. This particular video will show you how to basically start with affiliate marketing on your YouTube gaming channel. It will explain what affiliate marketing is and bring you up to speed on that. If you want to take part in the full course and watch the rest of the videos, there's a link in the description for you to go do that. It's completely free, so you might as well go sign up. But yeah, I'm gonna pass you on to the rest of the video. Let's get involved. Yo, what's going on? I am Jay Cartere from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better, and welcome to this how to start making money using affiliate marketing on your YouTube channel course. I think that's it. No, how to start making money on YouTube using affiliate marketing. That's the name of the course. But here we are. I just want to quickly go over some things and explain to you guys what affiliate marketing is, how to start with affiliate marketing, and a few other things. So basically, affiliate marketing is marketing other people's products. Now, the way that it works is you generally partner up with a company or a person or that sort of stuff, and then they'll give you a link and you'll basically promote them using that link. And if anyone clicks through that link and buys something from them using your link, then you will get a percentage. You'll get a commission on that sale. That's basically how it works. And the percentage that you get really depends on the company you're working with and depends on the tier of affiliate that you are. So for example, my affiliate program, the Grow on YouTube affiliate program, is at 50% for people who purchased the Gamer's Guide to Greatness book. So if you purchase the Gamer's Guide to Greatness book and you've come here, then you have 50% commissions on any sales that come to that book. So that's how that works. And I think for everyone else, it's going to be like 30% or something. So 50% is pretty nice. 30% is like generally what you'd get. I think 20% is not great. 20% is not great, but 30% is like an okay. That's average. That's an average affiliate program deal. Now, there are a few ways you can start with affiliate marketing. First of all, I'd highly suggest you start with my affiliate program. I'm going to show you how to sign up to it in a little bit because it's just going to make you more money than the other alternative, which is signing up to the Amazon Associates program, which is something you definitely should sign up to. You might as well sign up to it because you might be able to make some more money with it. But the percentages on the commissions on Amazon they're just so low. It's so low that it's not worth it. Like, I think if someone buys a game through my Amazon link, I get like 20p or something on a £40 game. So that is not great. That is not good at all. And I wouldn't recommend focusing on that. I'd recommend focusing on an affiliate that ties in very closely with what you're doing on your channel. So if you're a gaming YouTuber, promoting my book, A Gamer's Guide to Greatness, is probably going to be good for you because a lot of your audience and people who are going to watch your channel may also want to become gaming YouTubers. So that can help you out there. So let's show you how to actually sign up and become an affiliate for growonyoutube.com. So in order to become an affiliate of growonyoutube.com, all you want to do is go to growonyoutube.com, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you should see this become an affiliate link on pretty much any page that you go to on the website. So after you click that link, you'll be brought to this page, which is hosted by SendOwl, who is hosting my affiliate program. Then you just want to fill in your details and sign up right here. Now, I've already made an account for the purposes of this, so I'll just go to login. So after you enter your details, just click the sign in or sign up button. After you sign up, you'll be brought to this page, which has the terms and conditions that you can read for the affiliate program. As you can see, cookie lasts 3 months on growonyoutube.com. So as soon as someone clicks your link, if they buy anything from the site within 3 months, you'll get credited for that sale. There is a payout delay of 2 months because we have a 30-day guarantee on the book, A Gamer's Guide to Greatness. So after 2 months, you'll get paid your commissions. And here is our terms and conditions, which I suggest you read, but we're not going to go through that right about now. So you want to check this box so that you agree to the SendOwl terms and conditions as well as my terms and conditions, and then just click join. You may have to go through captcha, so let's do that. And then you have joined the program. Make sure you don't do this in an incognito tab, because I tried to do this in an incognito tab and it sent me in a redirect loop and I couldn't get to this page. So try not to do that. Do it in a tab where you're not incognito, and it's pretty easy to join the affiliate program. Don't do any spammy stuff, because if you're doing spammy stuff, then I will just kick you off the affiliate program. But for now, we're basically going to try and I'll basically want to help as many people as possible. I want as many gamers who want to become affiliates and want to make more money with their channel to join this program and to use it effectively. So make sure you watch the rest of this course and you learn how to effectively use affiliate marketing to make more money on your channel, so you don't just go and spam loads of links all over the place, because that will just get you kicked out and banned from a lot of affiliate programs, because most people don't want that associated with their brand, and I definitely don't. To get to your affiliate links, all you need to do is click here where it says click to see affiliate links, and then you can easily press this button and that will copy the link, or you can go in there, do a control and see you got the link over there. You can see your commission down here. And also, let's go back to the affiliate programs. If you need to contact me for anything, for example, if you purchase the book and you want to quickly get through to me to let me know that you want to be bumped up to the 50% commission tier, you can just click here to communicate with me and send me a message, and that will just send me an email, and then I can easily respond to you and I can deal with that for you. So that is how you become an affiliate for growonyoutube.com. In the next video in this course, I'll be showing you how to find other affiliate programs and how to become affiliates of companies that you know and love. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.